all of you to COVID-19 Glengaze Module United Nations, a befitting platform to stimulate, enhance, reciprocate, and refine skill sets of young delegates to take on global challenges. In today's era of globalization, some skills have become obligatory to provide a plethora of opportunities to the young minds to cultivate and nourish ingenuity, leadership skills, mental agility, confidence, and commitment to the cause in the young generation. COVID-19 Glengaze MUN is an initiative to bring up the social causes through agendas so that the opinions and thoughts of the young minds can be openly presented in front of all. We would now like to show you a small teaser on COVID-19 Glengaze Module United Nations. Our warm greetings to our chief guest, Secretariat, all the delegates, chairpersons and EBs present here with us today. I would like to tell you all that due to some unavoidable reasons, Ms. Bhavna Khanna couldn't be present here with us today. Next, I would like to tell you all the rules and regulations of the conference. So these below mentioned points are some of the important pointers. All the delegates are required to respect the sanctity of Zoom meeting rooms. The chats should be positive and should only be related to the ongoing MUN event. Further information will be passed on through WhatsApp. Courteous behavior towards MUN moderators, advisors and others who are assisting in the program. No use of thumbs down or frown faces in the chat box unless prompted to do so by the chair in response to audibility check response. It is the responsibility of all participants to know and abide by the laws of MUN. If they fail to abide by the code of conduct, it will result in a warning and possible suspension from MUN. No informal groups will be created. Official groups will be used for lobbying sessions. Only English will be accepted as an official language for all the stimulating committees except AIPPM, which will be a bilingual committee. All the delegates and executive board members are required to keep their web cameras on. If a delegate's web camera is in work, now I would like to introduce the Secretariat to you. Mr. Ayush Ranjan is the Secretary General and Mr. Krish is the Deputy Secretary General of COVID-19 Glengaze Module United Nations. I invite Mr. Ayush to please come, address all and further open the session.
Respected members of Glengaze India, just a minute. Respected members of Glengaze India, members of the Secretariat, members of the Executive Board, and my fellow delegates. Let me offer a very warm welcome to all of you on the behalf of the Secretariat, and what a tremendous honor it is for us to host the COVID-19 Glengaze Online MUN. I am both pleased and impressed to share my screen with so many bright and inspirational young diplomatic aficionados. We always come across people who talk about various issues which are prevalent in the society. But it gives me immense pleasure when I say that you are one of those who have stood up to make a change, to spread awareness, to express your thoughts, to enhance your skills, and to learn something new. The reason behind conducting online MUNs during a time when the whole world is suffering from a pandemic is to give a chance to the young students to gain awareness on current global conflicts, to lobby and debate on these issues, and to explore the world of MUNs. An event like this could not happen without the hard work of the Secretariat and Glengaze. I would especially like to thank the Deputy Secretary General Krish Singh, Bhavana ma'am, Prerna ma'am, Survi ma'am, Piyush sir, and Saksham sir for working day and night to make this event a memorable one. Now, without taking much of your time, I would now like to introduce the agendas for all the 6 committees. For UNGA, we have consequences of pandemic. For UNSC, we have prevention of war between US and China in context to the outbreak of coronavirus. For UNHRC, we have post-corona immigrants and refugee status. For ECOSOC, we have impact of coronavirus on international trade and strategies made for post-corona situation. For AIPP and stabilizing the economy. For WHO, we have discussing about the vaccine for pandemic as a whole, pricing and timeline in countries. Delegates, today is your day. Don't let the word nervousness enter your dictionary. Break the stereotypes that people have about you. Learn, even if you make a mistake, and enjoy so that this day would become a memorable one for you. With these words, I, Ayush Ranjan, the Secretary General of COVID-19 Glengaze Online MUN.
Thank you for your feedbacks. So now we are starting with the closing ceremony.
I would now like to call Ms. Neeta Arora, Principal of Sri Venkateshwara School, Dwarkar.
In your first online experience of doing the moon, but this is what is happening everywhere. Even our own Prime Minister is holding meetings with state chief ministers online. UN is doing online. Supreme Court is holding its sessions online. So this online is now going to stay for at least some time, or maybe much more time than we said. It is going to become a part of life, and so much better because you don't have to be typing all the while on your social media for you to be visible or to connect. You can simply use any online platform. I'm not naming any particular one. And it is so important for us to realize that leaders are not made, leaders are nurtured when they're young. They're nurtured in the schools, they're nurtured at their homes, and now you are getting the exposure from the parents as well. While I'm talking to you, I'm sure there would be many parents and grandparents also in the same ceremony. Otherwise, your parents would have been very well sending you to have a school in a different city and waiting for you to come back to tell you what happened. This was a very different experience. Now, one child gets registered, the whole family learns it. If you have a younger brother or sibling or an elder one, you could also be practicing being a better Mona next time. And that is what used to happen in joint family system. One child would prepare and everybody would learn. Here now one child is representing a nation or a political party, and here the whole family is there to support the child or to even learn from the child. I'm sure whenever I have attended meetings, I've learned so much from the younger generation. May you all continue to have this desire to know more than your textbooks, and that is what education is. Real education is what your school does not teach you. Mark my words, I'm a school principal. Because what we learn in school, there is always this purpose of an examination tag at the end of the year. So you're learning for an exam. But if you're learning for the sake of learning, that is education. So all those kids who try to learn for the sake of getting more and more knowledge in order to become capable of finding or making or creating knowledge ourselves, then you have arrived. That is the attitude of lifelong learning that we want. And all these platforms, whether it's a debate or a MUN or a design tech session, these are all meant to give you that exposure. Because if that girl said, I did not get much material to research on, that means looking for some material. But it's also told you that all MUNs may not give you the right answer. You may have to search for your write-ups once you are made a delegate. And they keep the thing open for you. Why do you have to depend on 4 or 5 or 10 pages of material? Learn. They want you to do is research yourself, and many of you have done your own research. Because supposing I send you material, it will show only one side. But while researching, you will come across two, three different criticism of the same person, or people talking in support of the same person, or the policy, or the agenda. We would like you to examine an agenda from both sides. Supposing some of you become lawyers, so would you be always able to take a side? Maybe depending, any party. So we want you to understand that it is very important for us to see a coin from both the sides. Similarly, an argument from both the sides. And when we start examining issues from both the sides, sometimes we realize there is no clear-cut white and black. No, this is right, this is wrong is never the answer. There are shades of, this could also be right, this could also be right. And this is what happens in a normal debate as a normal interaction does. Sometimes I am right, sometimes the person with whom I am debating is right, and I have to concede. But we say, okay, fine, either get convinced or convince me. So that is the gift of gab, the ability to talk, then you present your arguments is important, but at the same time, the depth of the argument matters more than how you present your arguments. So in a moon, we do not simply see how confident you are as a speaker, we try to see your depth of the argument. It is not like an elocution or a recitation where a child who speaks the best, has the best expression or pronunciation, wins. So sometimes we feel, oh, that's it, falter, that's it. Stop. Why did the child win? The child won because the child had the deepest understanding of the issue. It is not about how good
Glengays Model United Nations.
Ma'am, I have shared you in WhatsApp the list of best delegates. So kindly check.
all right, I have to do that. Thank you. I will be doing it. Thank you. All right, children, are you ready to know the results? Yes. If you are unmuted, then you can unmute yourself. I want to hear a loud yes.
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 Yes,
Ma'am.
Yes.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Supposing you don't win, are you going to be disappointed?
No, ma'am.
No,
That
ma'am.
was an experience and we're happy.
No, because that no is going to make my day. Everybody is going to be disappointed. Your name is not being called out by you. Okay? Promise me. Because participation itself is a reward. And here we have the names of best delegates. Oh God, the country that is in the eye of trouble. Which country? Name the country that
China.
the delegate from China is.
Australia.
China delegate, please speak. You are one of the best delegates of UNSC, then UN Human Rights Commission. The best delegate comes from a country which is close by. On one side, you have China. Close to it is another country. What could it be?
Russia.
Who said Russia?
I.
Pat your back. Yes, Russian delegate is the HRC best delegate. Let's move on to General Assembly. In the General Assembly, let me give you a guess. This country is known for Nazi philosophy.
Germany.
Nice. So the delegate for Germany, clap for him.
Ma'am, Germany one or Germany?
Germany.
That's a typical one. Germany 1, where are you?
Ma'am,
Which
yeah,
one? Yeah, and Germany 2, where are you? Heartbeat.
Here, ma'am.
Okay,
Here, ma'am.
Rest of you, please tell me which one of them should have won, 1 or 2?
2.
1.
Ma'am, 2.
2.
1.
Two left. IPPM. Oh my god, that was a tough one. I don't know which party did he represent. Hardeep Singh Puri wins it as the best delegate. Clap for Hardeep Singh Puri. Which party did you represent, Hardeep? Unmute yourself and tell us.
I'm BJP.
Sorry?
Ma'am, BJP. I'm the minister.
You think there is
Minister
a
of Civil Aviation.
here, the ruling party person wins? At which politician did you represent?
Ma'am, Hardeep Singh Puri. Ma'am, you are not audible.
I'm not audible.
No, ma'am.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
We can hear you. Ma'am, we can hear you.
We can hear you.
Something to do with your speaker system. Okay, then we come to Eco SOC. Who wins it? How many were there to compete for this delegate? That's your own Bharat, Indian delegate wins it. Congratulations. And oh my God, WHO, a country that has been accused of manipulating WHO. Which country?
China.
China is in trouble, but here the prize is winning.
USA.
Okay, now delegates. We have already chosen the 6 delegates. Congratulations to everybody, and nobody else is going to feel bad. Each one of you were very, very good.
Who is the best delegate of WHO?
WHO is
China.
Oh, surprisingly, isn't it? Why surprisingly? That's because WHO, some members say, no, China is trying to influence WHO unfairly, and yet the delegate wins. The delegate wins because of the depth of the argument. What happens, he is more material to say, to make it emotional, I'm sure. Because he has to fight all his opponents, or her opponents. Anyway, the best position papers.
Who is best delegate for UNHRC?
HRC. Okay, I'll tell you all the results because this guy who's become an Arab delegate is looking very confused. SC, China. HRC, Russia Federation. UNGA, Germany 2. AIPPM, Hardeep Singh Puri. Eco SOC, India. WHO, China. Is that okay with delegates? Everybody's clear?
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
come to the best position papers. General Assembly, it is Italy. Well done, child.
Thank you, ma'am.
SC is Bangladesh. Well done. Security Council, you've done well from Bangladesh. HRC, your own country. So who was a delegate from India? Say hello to us so that we can see your face.
Hello, I am Sagnik Mukherjee.
And please unmute, show your video. Hello Sagnik Mukherjee, congratulations. I would like to know that Italy child as well for General Assembly. Could you please say hello to us?
Hello, ma'am.
Talk more so that your video comes. Unmute, show your video. Start your video. Yeah, no, not yet. I can't see you. Italy, UNGA. Okay, moving on to the best position paper of Eco SOC Society. It is country with the largest number of positive cases. Which one are you?
USA.
USA.
Who is the child from USA? Please speak about yourself for a while. Come on live. Please unmute yourself. Let your video be on and let's talk about it. Who is this child? USA. What is society? Yes, hello. What's your name?
Palak.
Full name, Palak.
Palak.
Palak, your voice is very mild. How did you win? You wrote 12. Or you were very, very what do you say, focused, and your voice was better when you were actually presenting your paper.
Yeah, that's what.
Now you're feeling kind of so happy and embarrassed about winning that you can't even say much. Please do move your hand near your mouth close to you. Yes. Palak, now speak. Which school are you coming from?
Delhi World Public School.
Where is it?
It is in Gautam Budh Nagar.
Okay, congratulations. We're very, very proud.
Thank you.
We'll now to call the winner from WHO. And that is, any guesses, anybody? You heard the debates, but all of you won't have heard all of them.
Australia.
Australia is a good guess. Any other?
India.
India. I wish it was India. It's a country which is in a long-standing trouble.
China.
With another country beginning with P.
Australia.
No, China is supporting
Poland.
Pakistan.
Call a US ally.
Poland.
Conflict with another.
Persia.
Italy.
No. It is in okay.
Palestine.
It is in conflict with Palestine. Which country am I talking?
Israel.
Israel.
Well, delegate has won this. Can we say hello to you? Come live.
Ma'am,
Yes, dear.
I have a question. When we will get the certificate?
The organizers will announce. Don't worry about it. You'll get these
Okay.
certificates.
Okay.
Sure. At the time, the results have just come. Congratulations. Tell us about yourself.
Hello ma'am, I am Palak Bharadwaj.
Acha, now that one more Palak, huh? It's the Palak's day today. Okay, Palak, which school have you come from? Which school?
Ma'am, I am from Renaissance
Oh,
School.
wow, all the way
Bulandshahr.
from Bulandshahr you come from. Renaissance. I remember you came to Shri Venkateshwar International School. I mean, your school came for this one. You were not there, but other children from your school came. They actually came live. They came in person. They traveled all the way from Bulandshahr. So proud of your school principal and teachers who encourage you. Okay, why did you win over others? What are your strengths that made you win today?
Ma'am, because my teacher really helped me. He is very supportive, and also I'm a critical thinker. I think actually because I think so much things I think.
I love this expression, critical. Wow. Big words, lady. And I'm sure you will continue to think critically because it's one of the global citizenship skills that all of us need so much. Communication, collaboration, critical thinking, leadership, digital literacy. These are the soft skills the country needs to give to its citizens. Thank you so much for using that expression. Continue to do well, and you're nice to give thank you to your teacher too in this particular small speech. And these are all the results that they've given us.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, who's this? Would any child like to speak something at this moment?
I would like to thank the organizers for saving our weekend during the lockdown and helping us get experience of MUN even in this period of chaos.
Give your introduction, please.
My name is Muskan Sethi. I'm from Delhi World Public School.
Where is it?
It's in Gautam Budh Nagar.
Okay. Congratulations for speaking your point so lucidly, that is clearly. Anything else? Oh, Russian Federation is one of the winners, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Now I want to speak something. It was a very nice function.
Very, very impressed that you liked it.
Yes, ma'am.
And we now invite Ms. Sumedha again. Prerna ma'am. I am taking a screenshot of all of you lovely children. So smile for me. Good anyone like to sing a song or speak something? नहीं Cyril ने शुरू हो गया नहीं गाना anyone sitting with one's guitar? Anybody holding a musical instrument in your room at the moment, nearby you, so that you can bring it? And no function should be without music. Just keep this in mind, please. It makes you feel so light and nice. Yeah, who's going to give us a song? Or let's all of us rap. One of you begin, the second one joins, and the third one joins, and we all of us add a line each. Can we do that? Yo, say yo. All of you unmute your mics first of all. Unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Video on, mic on. Adi, you can do that too. Adi Sharma, go. This Mexican lady, please unmute yourself. Turkey saying, unmute yourself. This delegate from France, unmute yourself. Everybody, and now you're going to rap together. Put a single line, and then we'll go on. Adding speed. Begin with Neon. Done? Are you all game for it? Dhruv, unmute yourself. Okay, fine. I came for a moon. I'm going back. Soon, I'm going back after. I'm going back brighter because I have shoe on, add on. Come on. अब मैंने बोला जूते से सोचती हूँ. अरे, tell me no, it is not your shoe that makes you think. It only makes you come till here. And you find that thing. The heart. There will be a special prize for me, but whosoever raps the best. And Bhavna, will we give it?
Ma'am, sure, we will give the prize.
Alright, so a cultural prize today.
Yeah, cultural prize. Experience is the best.
Alright, anybody trying for the cultural prize? A special cultural prize that has been instituted. Otherwise, we go ahead with the next round of awards. I'm carry on.
Is there anyone who can sing a song or rap a song or can exactly tell what ma'am has said right now? So we will also give away with the cultural certificate. Is anyone there? Any delegate?
Yes.
Yeah. Who's there? Is anyone ready?
Translate this yes into action. If you speak, you will come live on our screens. Why the strings?
Who is playing the strings so that we can spotlight you?
Is the delegate?
delegate of WHO Italy.
WHO Italy. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Can anyone please explain what's happening?
waiting for you to start singing. Somebody said you're singing. Or you were screaming.
Now somebody else is singing.
I know, but I really can't make out whether he's actually singing on live with us or some going to Barcelona singing there.
WHO Italy, can you please?
WHO was asking us who's going to sing.
Okay.
There's a lot of background noise. I can't hear.
The other delegate who is singing, can you please tell us? So we will put the spotlight on you, or else let.
अच्छा शक्ल देखकर बहुत मन कर रहा है आपका किसी की वजह से ध्रुव से सो दिया गाना गाओगे
Delegate of
South Korea, UN.
South Korea, UNGA.
Yeah, he was singing the song.
Yes, he was singing. His microphone was.
That's all. Right? But it was more of singing to himself than to us.
Thank you so much for your kind words, ma'am. It was an honor to have you here. Now I request the chairperson of UNGA, Yana Bedi, and vice chairperson, Gayatri Trivedi, to come and announce the high commendation and special mention.
Right. Thank you so much for this. And the debate, how it went is 4 times more than I expected from the first timers. It was really, really nice, especially the open debate and everything. And I am really honored to be a part of this, and high commendation obviously I'll announce. So the delegate who didn't get it to the best del, but you were like literally very close. So very congratulations to you, Germany, first delegate of Germany. So very congratulations to you. Now I'll pass it to Gayatri for special mention.
Okay, PE.
Gayatri.
Ma'am, is the High Com to delegate of Germany?
Yes, it's to the delegate of Germany.
Right. Please mute yourselves. Other delegates, please.
For your co-participants. So
what's happening?
Gayatri just called. She is having some network issues. So I guess I'll announce the special mentions also. So the special mentions goes to both of you were also very, very nice as first timers, as I. So special mention goes to the delegates of United States of America and Spain. Congratulations. That's it from my side. Thank you so much.
Rihanna, and congratulations to the winners. Further, I would like to call upon the vice chairperson, Dhruv Sisodia, to announce the high com and special mention.
Alright, so good evening everyone. So AIPPM was a really interesting committee. Things got spokespersons. It was a really interesting debate, and as Yana said, I did not expect so much from first timers as well. So without further ado, which was the most irritating according to me, but had really good points. It went to Nirmala Sitharaman. Right, so over to Dhruv.
So I'm all present here. So coming to the point, for the special mention committee goes to none other than the Prince of Indian National Congress, Mr. Rahul Gandhi. Welcome.
Thank you, AIPP and Executive Board members, and congratulations to the winners. Next, I request the chairperson of WHO, Mehak Verma, and the vice chairperson, Yash Kumar Gupta, to come and announce the High Common Special Mention.
Ma'am, Mehak Kumar will not be there for the prize distribution, so I'll be there for the prize distribution.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah, so basically, WHO is really a great committee. The first timers, but all of you performed very, very well. And as a first timer, I appreciate all the efforts for the first timers. Now the high commendation 1 goes to delegate of France. France was also a first timer, and France performed very well. Delegate of France, you get the high commendation 1. And now the high commendation 2 goes to delegate of Italy. Italy was also a first timer, and Italy performed very well. And then special and the special mention 1 goes to delegate of Australia.
Thank you, Yash, and congratulations to the winners. Now I would like to call the chairperson of UNSC, Ms. Ankita Singh, and vice chairperson, Ms. Sneha Sharma, to announce the High Common Special Mention.
Good evening, delegates. Our vice chairperson is not here due to some technical issues.
Everybody, especially the first timers, they performed really well, and I really hope to working with them again. The high commendation goes to the delegate of USA, and a special mention goes to the. Next, I would like to call upon the chairperson of UNHRC, Shashwat Puri, and vice chairperson Ojas to announce the High Common Special Mention.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Myself, Shashwat, I was serving as chairperson of UNHRC. Ojas is not here because of some network issues. So, further, I would like to declare high commendation and special mention. But before that, I would like to say best is a myth. Nothing is best. Even if you are getting this award, there are a lot of things which are left in this world which you can't achieve. Okay. So, if you are not getting award, it doesn't mean that you will not be getting it afterwards in any particular MU. So, high commendation goes to the delegate of Mexico. Okay. And very, very congratulations to delegate of Mexico from my side. And now coming to the special mention, there are 2 special mentions in no particular order. So, the special mention goes to the delegate of Syria and the delegate of Australia. Now, very sorry to the other delegates of the committee, but I am having 2 verbal mention as well, which are having no certificates, just for a sake of appreciation for the delegates. So, the verbal mentions, in no particular order, they will not be getting any kind of certificate, are Singapore and Myanmar. Big congratulations to all of you. Thank you very much for joining this committee. Thank you.
Shashwat. Now I request chairperson of ECOSOC, Viti Shukla, and vice chairperson Soumya Mittal to announce the High Common Special Mention. Smriti, Soumya, is anyone there?
Yes. Okay. Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for having me in this session. It was a great session for all of us, and it was a great experience for me and for the delegates as well. I'm here to announce a high commendation and special mention for ECOSOC because vice chairperson is having some tech issues, I guess. So the high commendation award for ECOSOC goes to Israel, Anusha Chakrabarti, and special mention goes to Iran, Jay Kumar. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Smriti. I would now request Ms. Bhavna Sharma, editor, Fairgaze and convener, Glengaze, to please come and share a few words with us. Is Bhavna ma'am there?
Thank you so much, Survi. Am I audible to all of you?
Yes,
Please
ma'am.
thumbs up.
Ma'am, you aren't audible.
Yes. Okay. Now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, cool. So, good evening, everyone. So, what a great conference it was. I earnestly like to thank each one of you. So, in the beginning of opening ceremony, we determined to plan tomorrow's world, reinventing ourselves also as tomorrow's world. So, we filled resolutions for the plans for tomorrow, promises for tomorrow, isn't it? That was all about today. Amid this COVID pandemic, what you guys are going to do, how different countries are going to function, what are the things that the countries are going to plan, what the parties are planning. So this was all about COVID-19 Glengaze MUN. So I'm really amazed to see such young, dynamic delegates coming here and presenting just like the UN ambassadors. So it was really such an enriching experience for me also and my team also to learn from such a young crowd here. So is Neeta ma'am here, present here with us? Or has she left? Because I guess she left, but still I would like...
She's here, ma'am.
Okay. So, yeah. So by the time Anita ma'am came, so I can see like how you people really engaged with her. So I really want to thank Ms. Neeta Arora ma'am, principal of Sri Venkateshwar International School, for making her benign presence here, giving her time to all the delegates and presenting her views with all of you. So thank you so much, Neeta ma'am. Thank you really for coming here and taking out time for all our young delegates. Now,
has rubbed on me too. This is so good. Thank you. I'll be a better debater now.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much. Now, moving ahead, I would also like to thank various schools who really put a lot of efforts and were giving their consistent support to COVID-19 Glengaze MUN. I would like to mention all of those schools, starting with Delhi Public School, Gautam Budh Nagar, Delhi World Public School, Noida Extension, Gautam Budh Nagar. Are you able to hear me, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then Gyan Mandir Public School, SD Public School, Ramja School, R.K. Puram, Bhavan Public School, Bharat National Public School, N.K. Bagdodia Public School, Manas Sali School, Rajendra Nagar, Renaissance School, Bulandshahr, and Happy English School. So I really would like to thank all of these schools for putting their efforts and bringing, they were really supportive all throughout the days when we were planning for COVID-19 Glengaze MUN.
Ma'am?
Thank you so much. Yeah?
Ma'am, I'm from Manasali School. You are appreciating my school also.
Yeah. Because your school is also putting efforts with us. So thank you so much and thank you for coming.
Special thanks to our teacher, Ms. Tapasya. She only organized this only in our school.
Okay. Thanks to her too. And thanks to your school also.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, okay. Now moving ahead, this conference can never be so successful without our esteemed Secretariat. Mr. Ayush Ranjan, our Secretary General, and Mr. Krish Singh, our Deputy Secretary General. So please give them a huge round of applause because they were the two people who were continuously working days and nights to actually make it a great success. Can I listen to the applauses? Yeah, thank you. So this is for our Secretariat.
So
yeah. Then now coming to our Executive Board members. I cannot name each one, but really all the 6 committees, not 6 committees, it was 7 committees, 6 committees where the things were UNGA, UNHRC, UNSC, AIPPM, WHO, EcoStock. So all the executive members of all these committees, along with international press, we have editor-in-chief Ms. Priyal Jain and head of caricature Mr. Ahan Gupta, and like all the executive board members, they were really with us, helping us to guide the delegates. They never said us no, that on this time we cannot do this, or at that time we cannot do this. They were always available to us to help the delegates. So a big round of applause for all our executive board members too. Whether it's Yana, Adi, Yash, Mehak, Priyal, Ahan, Smriti, Sneha. If I'm sorry if I'm missing out any name. Shashwat, Ojas, Dhruv.
Hello.
All the executive board members. Sorry if I'm missing out any name, but
yes, ma'am.
Yeah, who's this?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks to you, all of you, all the executive board members. Now, further moving, we also have, like I was telling you about international press. So our editor-in-chief, Ms. Priyal Jain and Mr. Ahan Gupta, they prepared the newsletter of COVID-19 MUN, Glengaze MUN. So I would request the host to please show the first draft of it. So this is, I really want all of you to give them a huge round of applause to the IP members who really put efforts to build this newsletter. In just one day, they moved to different committees, gathered information from all the delegates, executive board members, and prepared this newsletter. So please give them a huge round of applause. They deserve this. Ms. Priyal and Mr. Ahan from International Press. Now,
thank you, ma'am, for having us in your MUN.
It's our pleasure to have you with us. Thank you, Ahan, and thank you, Priyal. Now, moving ahead, the people behind this conference, the people who are actually like the thought, from where this thought came, and they started doing this Glengaze MUNs. And it's not just about COVID-19 Glengaze MUNs, but various MUNs. We also did in Sri Venkateshwar International School with Miss Neeta Arora ma'am. Previously, that was an offline. She mentioned about that when one of the delegates from Renaissance School came. So likewise, we are doing a lot of MUNs, and we will soon come up with more. So the people who are actually working behind all of these, working with Secretariat, working with EBs, working with delegates, and it's not just that they work for just 3 to 4 hours. They work 8 to 9 hours to get the best MUN experience to all the delegates and all the people associated in this MUN. So I would like to start with Mr. Ranju R. Pillai, who is our Chief Relationship Officer. Then our Events and Production Head, Mr. Piyush Nayak, our Events Executive, Mr. Saksham Gupta, and our PR Executive, Ms. Prerna Sharma, our Communications Coordinator, Ms. Suvarna Gupta, our Host of the Day, Ms. Surbhi Singh. So I would request all of you to please give them a huge round of applause. All these people, they deserve a big clap from all of you, because they are the people who actually do a lot of things backstage and to make you people comfortable. I'm sorry if I missed out any name, but I tried speaking all the names. Now moving ahead, I want to extend my heartiest thanks to all the parents, because I know you delegates were so fresh. So or EBs tried to train you, but apart from that, the parents also play a huge important role in skilling you people for this MUN. So I would like to extend my thanks to parents. And apart from parents, there is also teachers who, I remember teachers calling us and saying that we are training our delegates also, please allot the countries, and this we are going to train them today. So all the teachers of different schools. So my heartiest thanks to all the teachers, parents, principals of various schools, and with a special mention to Ms. Indra Kohli ma'am, Director of Delhi Public School, Gautam Budh Nagar, and Ms. Bhavna Khanna ma'am, Principal of Delhi Public School, Gautam Budh Nagar, for supporting us in this initiative. And then on behalf of whole Glengaze family, we thank each one of you for becoming a part of COVID-19 Glengaze MUN. soon we are coming up with more MUNs and events from Fairgaze also. And our next event coming is India as I See, where you can come do poetry, writing, drawings, and win exciting prizes also along with that. So I expect all of you to go do registrations and win prizes there also. And see you all next time with lots and lots of best wishes from Glengaze and Fairgaze. Thank you so much for coming here. Thank you. Now it's over to Surbhi.
Thank you so much, Bhavna ma'am. Thank you. So this brings us to the end of the program. It was an honor to have you all, and Glengaze is highly obliged for the same. We sincerely wish to meet you soon and with renewed vigor and interest. Thank you.
Hello. Also, before ending this session, I would also like to mention one more person, our director, Sir Mr. M.L. Sudheen. Without him, this is not possible. So I would also like to thank him. And again, my whole Fairgaze and Glengaze family. Also, Miss Ananya Bedi. She is not here because she has also supported us, and because she is ill. So I would also like to thank her. And then again, Mr. Ranjuar Pillai, or relationship to all these 4 again. Thank you so much. And if Neeta ma'am is here, then thank you so much, ma'am, for coming here and making your benign presence here and motivating all the delegates. Thank you so much, ma'am. I think Neeta ma'am has left few minutes back. Okay, no problem. Surbhi, you can wind up now. Okay, ma'am.
At the UNHRC.
That's something really amazing made by Priyal and Ahan. I can see beautiful fonts, colors, use of colors, alignment. That's wonderful.
Nice drawing.
Yeah, that's really beautiful.
Ma'am, every time I want to speak something that every time our school supported in MUN every year.
Okay, who's this? Can I know your name and your school name and which
Nam
country
An-
and committee you represented?
Nam Anj Gupta, class 10th B, school Manasari School and committee Japan.
Okay. That's amazing.
Good Donald Trump and Xi Jinping.
Sorry?
Good Donald Trump and Xi Jinping.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you please tell us the prices that were...
The prizes are digital certificates that we will, by next week, you all will receive digital certificates.
Okay.
Okay.
And through email ID?
Yeah, through your email IDs, the ones that with the email IDs with you all registered with.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, guys. So before we all leave, can you just please do hands of claps for my team, Mr. Saksham Gupta, Miss Prerna Sharma, Miss Suvarna Gupta, Miss Surbhi Singh.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Really, those people who were working along with us, who were working along with Secretariat, and even now they are working. Please claps for them. Applauses for them.
Thanks
I
to you
hope you
too,
all
ma'am, and
enjoyed.
applauses for you too.